In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach and remove the band or strap on your Galaxy Watch 8, including 2 pro tips. So I'm going to start with my first pro tip actually. A lot of times when I'm changing my band, I will inadvertently tap something on my screen, or it'll swipe and tap, and I'll accidentally start a workout, or I'll call someone, and I don't want that to happen. So one thing we can do if that's happening to you, you can swipe down from the top of your screen, and this will access the little quick setting panel. And you might need to swipe from right to left until you find this icon, which is a little water droplet. So if we tap on this, this actually enables the water lock feature. Now, water lock is useful if you're swimming, but it's also useful in this case because it essentially just locks the screen from responding to taps or touches or swipes. So this means that if we're handling our watch while we're changing the band, nothing is going to get inadvertently engaged. All right, so let's go ahead and turn the watch over to the back side so we're looking at the sensor. And in order to attach the band, we just need to align the band with this part of the watch. We need to give it a little bit of force to press in, and we should hear a click. So let me show you how that works. I'm going to align it, I'm going to press it in, and I heard that click, and I can give it a little tug, and it should be in there securely. Now, if that didn't work so well for you, my last pro tip is you can actually use this little button here. This is called the band release button, but you can also use it to insert your band. So if we press down on that, I'll show you what happens on the other side of the watch. There's a little latch here on the right side there, and it'll go away when we're pressing down. So if you press down on that, you can just align your watch band, and you don't have to put any force. You just need to align it and make sure it's in there flush with the watch case. Then you can let go on that band release button, and you don't get to click that time, so you definitely want to do that little tug check to make sure it's in there securely. Now to remove the band, we just do the opposite. We press down on that band release button and just pull the band away from the watch gently. It shouldn't take any force. Same thing on the other side, press down and pull out. And now you can let go of that button. Now to show you how to turn off that water lock when you're done, we just need to press this button, and it'll say press and hold the home button for 2 seconds to turn off water lock. Now you don't actually need to hold it for 2 seconds. That's so that the water will come out of the speaker here, but since we didn't put this in any water, we can just tap this again afterward to stop it immediately. So I'm going to press once, I'm going to press and hold, and now I'm going to press again to stop. So now your watch is back to being able to respond to touches and swipes. So I hope this helped you put on or take off your Galaxy Watch 8 band. If so, could you give me a thumbs up down below and consider subscribing if you want to see more Galaxy Watch videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.